Everyone, welcome to Sums app. In this video, I will explain you features of Sums application of student login. So these are the features: calendar, my attendance report, documents, notification, my profile, schoolwork, result, leave application features, live streaming student and live webcam. I will explain all the features one by one in this video. So first is the calendar. In calendar modules, students are aware about the calendars, the date, information which is provided by the teachers. Here, after selecting date, here student will get information related to lectures and holidays whenever is there. I will click back. So next is the my attendance report. Here student will get a report related to their attendance. After taking attendance, student will get notified whether he was present or absent via notification, and here percentage wise attendance record will be shown. So next is the document module. In document, various folders were created such as the fee receipt, bona fide, notes, homework. So we will go one by one depth. So in fee receipt, whenever student pays fees, all this PDF will be generated, and then next bona fide certificate, if it is generated, it will be shown. Then in notes folders, any folders uploaded in notes, PDF or MP4 videos, all it will be displayed. I will open one PDF file. This is one PDF file which is uploaded by teacher. So next, all folders have the same functionality: homework, other documents. So here results will be uploaded. It depends upon the teachers where exactly they are uploading, depending upon the folders configuration. Exam timetable, all this can be sent to the students via documents. So next is the notification module. In notification, I have already explained you, whenever student is present or absent, he is getting the notification that your child is present in the school today in this way. So parents will also be aware about, so that's the main reason to send notification. Next one is the student marks is also sent in the form of notification. It depends upon the teachers, the way they can be used. So next, any circular can also be sent. And next one is the gallery. Document and gallery modules both have the same functionality, but differs from their structures. So here in gallery modules, photo and videos are separated. So photos will be viewed in one folder in one hierarchy, and video will be viewed in another hierarchy. So based on the event, all this information can be viewed by parents also. It cannot be deleted from the student side. That's where security is maintained. So next module is the schoolwork. In schoolwork, teachers can share their data. So here results can also be shared. Now in schoolwork, I was explaining about the result. So this is the schoolwork module. It displays all subjects which are added, which are there in first standard. So for computers, these are the schoolworks, lecture details, lecture plan, all this will be viewed. These are the lecture details which have been conducted. And the next module is leave application. Leave can be applied. If student is clicking on apply for leaves, he need to mention total days and reason. Then it will be directed to the teachers module. Then next one is the fees module. It will show paid and unpaid fees, which fees is paid, unpaid. After clicking on pay now, it will redirect directly to the integration page, whichever is integrated. So here I explained in earlier video, through Razorpay we can do integration. Next module is about institute, about society. All this information can be added as per institute wise. Then next is the live streaming student module. Here whenever there is some function, that is Independence Day, Republic Day, any other event, so institute can record their videos, can record their sessions online, and it can be viewed at the same time or later. So this is the recorded session of Independence Day, and then can be viewed if it is possible for student to view online, or they can view it later on. So video may take time depending upon the size. So I will explain further module also.